Alright, so this is just got at the job. So this is what railing we're looking at. I already kind of started doing the demo, but it's going to be doing all those railings. Brand new ones, so let's get her going. This has been the easiest demo from how rotted all this crap is. Like, that is just ridiculous. Easy demo though. Can't complain. Posts right here, and all the boards around them were pretty much rotted, so I I'm replacing both boards that were around them and staggering the joints so they don't look goofy. Get this guy replaced too, and I think that should be it for deck boards. What I got right now, I'm not sure if it's going to help much, but for the rot, got down this deck tape for the stringers. Let's see if it's going to keep it from rotting even more. An attempt to, at least. So, let's start getting these posts set. Just finished setting all the posts. Now it's time to build. Let's get after it.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared.
Job's done. On to the next one.